Elon Musk just dropped a shocking message on Twitter. Get this, the GROK 1.5 chatbot is coming out next week. Remember all that crazy talk about this super-powered AI? Yeah, it's actually happening, and it's about to blow our minds, hopefully in a good way. So, what can we expect from GROK? Honestly, no one's entirely sure yet, but Musk is promising some next-level conversations, mind-bending features, and who knows what else. We're talking about real-life sci-fi stuff here, and it's happening faster than we can say artificial intelligence. GROK 1.5 is here to change the game, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. Before we get into it, you should hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Since November, the folks over at XA have been hard at work, tweaking and refining GROK 1.5 to perfection. They've souped up the reasoning and problem-solving capabilities, making this the most advanced model yet. It's like they took everything we loved about GROK 1 and cranked it up to 11. Now that's what I call progress. But here's the thing, GROK 1.5 isn't just about flashy upgrades. Oh no, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From coding to math-related tasks, this bad boy can do it all. I'm talking a 50.6% score on the math benchmark and a whopping 90% on the GSMAC benchmark. And don't even get me started on the human eval benchmark, 74.1%. That's some next level stuff right there. But hey, the real question is, what does this mean for the future of AI? With GROK 1.5 leading the charge, it's clear that we're entering uncharted territory. Sure, there are other players in the game, Gemini 1.5 Pro, GPT-4, Claude 3 Opus, but none of them can match the sheer innovation of XA. And get this, they're doing it all with a team that's smaller than your average startup. With GROK 1.5 setting new benchmarks and pushing the limits of what AI can achieve, it's opening up a world of possibilities. Imagine a future where AI isn't just a tool, but a true partner in innovation. Whether it's revolutionizing industries, solving complex problems, or simply making our lives easier, the potential is limitless. So, while GROK 1.5 may be just a stepping stone on the journey to AI revolution, it's a significant one. With its impressive performance and groundbreaking capabilities, it's paving the way for a future where anything is possible. And that, my friends, is something worth getting excited about. One of the most jaw-dropping improvements in GROK 1.5 is its prowess in coding and math-related tasks. It's been put to the test and boy did it deliver. Get this, GROK 1.5 notched up a solid 50.6% score on the math benchmark and a whopping 90% on the GSMAC benchmark. These benchmarks cover everything from basic grade school problems to high school competition level tasks. And if that wasn't impressive enough, it also aced the human eval benchmark with a respectable 74.1% score. Let's break it down even further. When we compare GROK 1 to its shiny new sibling GROK 1.5, the improvements are clear as day. Take the MMLU, for example. It saw an impressive boost of around 8.113%, or a staggering 88.1%. That's some serious progress right there. And don't even get me started on the math benchmark. GROK 1.5 practically doubled its capability, which is nothing short of phenomenal. Plus, on the GSMAC benchmark, it soared to a stellar 90%, tackling those grade school math questions like a pro. And let's not forget the human eval benchmark, where it flexed its problem-solving muscles and clocked in at an impressive 74%. I mean, come on, that's some next-level stuff! But here's where things get really interesting. With GROK now going open source, the game is changing. See, the benchmarks we compare it to might just shake up the industry standards. And that's got me thinking, while these AI systems are impressive on paper, at the end of the day, they're products. And that's where the real difference lies. Sure, GPT-4 and Claude 3's Opus might have their strengths, but what sets them apart is their usability. That's right, it's all about being a good product. Now, let's talk about XTOAI's game plan. Are they going to roll out GROK 1.5 as their flagship product? Or maybe they'll go all in on the XA model. Heck, they might even stick to their guns and keep everything open source. The possibilities are endless, and it's got us on the edge of our seats. XTO AI, a relatively small team compared to industry giants like Google and Microsoft, is making waves with GROK 1.5. Despite being up against heavy hitters like Gemini 1.5 Pro, GPT-4, and Claude 3 Opus, GROK 1.5 is holding its own. And when I say holding its own, I mean it's not just keeping up, it's giving those big boys a run for their money. Do you know what blows us away? XTO AI is mainly an open source company. Yeah, you heard that right. They're taking on the big guns with a fraction of the resources. But guess what? They're doing it with style. When we compare GROK 1.5 to other open source models like Mistransluk, it's clear that XTO AI is raising the bar. In fact, on benchmarks like GSMac, GROK 1.5 is outperforming the competition. But wait, it gets even crazier. While GROK 1.5 may not be topping the charts like Gemini 1.5 Pro or GPT-4, you have to give credit where it's due. XTO AI has achieved all this in record time. We're talking about just 9 months to a year since Elon Musk's announcement. That's lightning speed in the world of AI development. Now let's talk dollars and cents. Companies like Claude 3 are swimming in cash with billions of dollars in funding from heavyweight investors. Meanwhile, XTO AI is making magic happen with a fraction of the budget. Sure, they may not have the financial muscle of a trillion-dollar company like Google, but they're proving that you don't need deep pockets to make a splash in the AI world. So, what's the secret sauce behind XTO AI's success? Well, it's a combination of talent, determination, and a whole lot of hustle. Despite the odds stacked against them, they've managed to carve out a niche for themselves in the fiercely competitive AI landscape. And trust that this is just the beginning. So here's the scoop. GROK 1.5 just dropped. And let me tell you, it's packing some serious firepower. One of the standout features is its ability to process long context of up to 128,000 tokens. Yeah, you heard that right. 128,000 tokens. That's like having a supercharged memory bank, allowing GROK to tap into information from way longer documents than ever before. And the best part? The accuracy is off the charts, hitting close to 100%. But that's not all. GROK 1.5 isn't just about raw processing power. It's also about tackling complex prompts with ease. The model can handle longer and more intricate prompts while still delivering spot-on results. I'm talking about perfect retrieval, folks. Not just close enough, but perfect. It's like finding a needle in a haystack and pulling it out with surgical precision. Now, if that doesn't impress you, I don't know what will. Let's talk about the infrastructural tech. GROK 1.5 is built on a cutting-edge infrastructure that's as robust as it gets. We're talking massive GPU clusters, custom distributed training frameworks, and state-of-the-art technology like JAX Roost and Kubernetes. This setup allows the team to prototype IDs and train architectures at scale with minimal effort. It's like having a Ferrari engine under the hood of your AI model. All this power is just the tip of the iceberg. With GROK 1.5, the possibilities are endless. Whether it's tackling complex research problems or revolutionizing how we interact with AI, this model is leading the charge into the future. And the best part? It's just getting started. GROK 1.5 is backed by a super efficient infrastructure that's all about reliability and uptime. With large compute clusters, keeping everything running smoothly can be a challenge. But that's no reason for concern because GROK's custom training orchestrator is here to save the day. It automatically detects and kicks out problematic nodes, ensuring that the training job keeps chugging along without a hitch. Plus, they've fine-tuned checkpointing, data loading, and job restarts to minimize downtime in case of a failure. It's like having a well-oiled machine running in the background. Now, here's the exciting part. They're looking for new talent to join their team. If you're passionate about AI and want to be part of something big, this could be your chance. Imagine being at the forefront of AI innovation, working with cutting-edge technology and a team of experts. It's an opportunity you won't want to miss. You should know that accessing GROK 1.5 isn't as easy as it sounds. You need to subscribe to Premium, which means shelling out a few bucks every month and getting verified on Twitter. Now that might not be a big deal for some, but for others, especially those in certain countries, it's a major roadblock. And let's face it, waiting on a waitlist isn't exactly fun, especially when you're eager to dive into the world of AI. Elon Musk, the man behind GROK, has a massive fan base eagerly waiting to get their hands on this model. But with limited accessibility, many are left feeling frustrated and left out. Sure, driving traffic to X.com is important, but shouldn't making AI accessible to everyone be the priority? It's a question worth pondering. So, what's next for GROK 1.5? Well, the sky's the limit. With early testers getting their hands on it soon, we can expect even more mind-blowing features in the pipeline. And hey, if you're as excited as I am, why not join the team? They're always on the lookout for top talent. And who knows, you could be the next big thing in AI. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. So, what do you think about GROK 1.5? Is it worth the hype? Are you excited to get your hands on it? And if you are, how do you plan on using it? If you enjoyed this video, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.